If you're thinking of starting seeds but are unsure what seed starting mix to use, then why not give coconut coir a try? It's eco-friendly, great for water retention, aeration, and prevents mould build-up. Coconut coir is made from coconut husks and is therefore just a repurposed waste material. Therefore it limits carbon emissions and helps protect the biodiversity of our wetlands. It's transported dehydrated, so therefore very efficiently packed, and you can buy organic versions too. All of which make this a great eco option for the environmentally conscious gardener. It arrives in blocks like this. Simply add boiling water, wait for it to expand and cool before using it. Using boiling water means that coconut coir is a sterile growing medium, which is great if you're growing microgreens or if you just want to reduce mould problems. You can start seeds for peppers, aubergines, courgettes, tomatoes, onion, whatever else is in ratatouille, in coconut coir. I use this stuff for absolutely everything, and add perlite to my vegetable seed starting mix to add even more aeration. I add a sprinkling of compost because I want some microbial interaction with my plant roots while they're still young. But I don't add so much that I'll end up with any fluffy white mould on the surface of the soil after a few weeks. As the seedlings get larger, you'll need to add additional nutrients, as these aren't provided by the coconut coir. I simply add increasing amounts of compost into the mix as the season progresses until the plants end up in the ground. For direct sowings of things like peas and beans, I'll make a trench and I'll cover it with coconut coir so that the seedlings have an easier time emerging through that than they would through my heavy clay soil in my garden. So why not give coconut coir a go? If you're interested, I'll put a link in the description below so you can use the exact same blocks that I'm using for all of my seeds this year. And if you want my recipe for a coir-based seed starting mix, then maybe you should check out this video here.